Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a neat, collapsible product description section to your Shopify store for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your product pages look clean and professional, and, most importantly, easy for your customers to read and navigate. If you want that sleek, modern look, and you'd like your visitors to be able to open and close details as they browse, this will be perfect for you. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. On your Shopify admin, head over to the specific product you want to edit. This is where we're going to introduce that collapsible section. Take a look just under the main product information area. If you hover your cursor slightly below the details, think right under the product image or title, you should see a familiar plus button appear. Sometimes it's easy to miss, so move your mouse gently until that little plus pops up. Go ahead and click it when you see it. What we're doing here is adding a new content block to your product page. You'll notice right away a menu opens up with several options for things you can add. Here, we want to select Collapsible Row. This feature lets us tuck away detailed info, just like folding a leaflet or opening a drawer, a practical way to keep your page tidy while still giving shoppers what they need. Click on Collapsible Row. This will pop a new, expandable section right onto your product page. Next, you'll want to add the actual content inside your collapsible section. To do this, repeat the process. Click that plus button again, but this time within the collapsible row you just created. You'll see another menu, and here you should choose Heading. Adding a heading is important because it gives your customers a clear way to know what this section is about. For instance, you might call this section Product Description, Details, or something similar. The heading is what shoppers will see, and when they click it, the section below will expand or collapse based on their interest. Now, let's drop in the product description itself. Again, look for the plus button inside the collapsible row, right below your new heading, and select Text, or paste your actual product description. This is the spot where you'll highlight your key selling points, maybe include specs, materials, or care instructions. Try to keep your description clear and digestible. Remember, since it's collapsible, you don't have to worry about overwhelming your customers with too much information all at once. The power here is in letting them open details only if they want to. If you want, you can even add bullet points or short paragraphs to make it even more readable. Before you finish, it's a great idea to double-check the placement of your new collapsible description. Sometimes Shopify drops it at the very bottom or in a spot that doesn't look quite right. You can click and drag the section to move it to a more appropriate place. Ideally, right underneath the main product info, so it's easy for buyers to find. Take a pause here and make sure you're happy with the layout. Test the feature in preview mode. Click your heading and make sure it expands and collapses smoothly. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get it perfect. Just keep adjusting until it feels natural. And that's it. Your product page now has a sleek, collapsible description section. This small change can make a big difference in how professional your store looks, and it gives shoppers a user-friendly way to discover your products. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'd love to help you out. And if you want more practical Shopify tips just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.